A very good day and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Marshall multi-room speaker set. I'm still using the built-in microphone for recording my unboxing since my laptop doesn't work and I can't put my microphone next to it. So I guess you have to deal with it now. So to start off, here's the big box it came in and let's open it up. Jesus. This is my review ticket. Let's put it away for a second. And let's get this monster out. And where's the upside? Oh, over here. So this is the front. I guess you can see it pretty nicely. Oh, don't drop my microphone. Here's the side, the actual front, and another side, and the almighty underside. Okay, so let's open it up real quick. Well, that's a bit boring. Alright, so they didn't include anything special in the actual box. Just some stuff to protect it. And I must say they did it pretty well. Oh, so I didn't actually get to test the actual multi-room test. I only got to test one. Well, I signed up for the multi-room system. Well, this is fine with me. Oh, this looks nice. Alright. Okay. To start off, here you have the charging cable or power cable. I thought it would be wireless for about 6 hours or 8 hours, but let's find out. Here we have a little box. Long live rock and roll. And if it would actually open up, that would be very nice. So here are some user guides and warranties, and we don't really care about those. So now the actual speaker. Here it is. I hope you can see it better on the recording. Here are some amps and stuff. Alright, let's try this again. Here you have the back. It's upside down, and there's nothing special at the sides or bottom. So this is the speaker. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. You can put it in pretty much every room and it will look pretty good. So let me see how it works. Not that, of course. Alright, so my phone is back up and running. And I'm going to try and pair it with the actual box, and I have no clue how. Oh, over here you can see the source. Yo, let me show you close up. Over here you can see the source, and this is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RCA, no clue, aux, and some different channels or something. And this is the treble, the bass, and here you have the volume. This all looks pretty sick. And here you can select if you want to use a single unit or the multi-room unit. I don't have the multi-room unit, well it was promised to me. But I'm stuck with this thing. I think it's pretty cool. But let's check it out and see how it sounds. Alright everyone, I can't seem to connect it with my phone at this moment. I will end this video for here. And you can of course listen to the sound quality and see how the setup's in the actual review, which also will have better sound of course, because I will use my good microphone. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Up.